Hey everyone, welcome to Nippon Vibes. Today I'm taking you to a real hidden gem in Chichibu, Saitama Prefecture. If you're looking to escape the crowds and catch some absolutely stunning autumn colors with epic views, this is the spot you've been dreaming of. Come on, let me show you exactly where it is. Before you head out, I totally recommend checking the autumn foliage forecast on the Chichibu city's official website. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can nail the perfect timing for your visit. Open the Google Maps link in the description. Once you tap that Google Maps link, you will see the location named as Kinzo Otoshi no Keiryū. You'll see there's a handy parking area there, totally free, by the way. Just park up, hop out, and take a short walk in. You're in for some seriously breathtaking views, especially if you're here during autumn, with all those vibrant colors popping against the stream. And then you walk back to this location, you'll come across this gorgeous bridge. The views from there are just next level. Alright, enough talking, let's jump straight into the footage I shot. Check this out.